Hello students of class 11. Welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. This video is for class 11 nutrition and the chapter that I am continuing today is the vitamins. Okay. So is the 11th video from this chapter. In the previous video I have completed the vitamin A, vitamin D and vitamin E, and the last fat soluble vitamin is left, that is vitamin K. Okay, vitamin K is also known as phyloquinone. Phyloquinone, also known as phyloquinone. So, in 1929, the Danish researcher Henry Dam discovered the nutrient and plays a very crucial role in blood coagulation and blood clotting. And the chemistry of it is the vitamin K refers to a family of compound known as quinone. And it includes the phyloquinone from the plant source and the menaquinone from the animal sources, and also synthesis in our intestinal bacteria, by our intestinal bacteria. The synthetic form is called the menadione. Okay. So let's check about the sources, the deficiency diseases as well the function of the vitamin K. Now we are going to talk about the vitamin K rich foods. Here you can see that the sources of vitamin K. There are plenty of sources in the picture. These are kale, the Brussels sprouts, broccoli, asparagus, cabbage, spinach, turnip greens, collard greens, kiwi, green snap beans, etc. So most of the vegetative sources are only the vitamin K sources. A little bit of animal sources are also there. Mainly the vitamin K is present in the food in different concentrations. It is the highest in dark green and leafy vegetables and also found in fruits, tubers, seeds, dairy and meat products as well. Why it is present in meat products? Because the animals also consume the vegetables and the grass as well, and the various kind of the leafy vegetables. So vitamin K is also being enriched in their liver. So that is why they also can be the source of vitamin K. As the vitamin K is not a water soluble vitamin, it is fat soluble vitamin. So it cannot be excreted from the body in easiest way. So that is why it can be stored in the animal protein also, animal body also. So when we consume those animals, so from them it can come to our body as well. Okay. So vitamin K usually occurs in association with the chlorophyll in the chloroplast of plants. Alpha is a spatially rich source of vitamin K. Alpha is a grass. Okay. In general, animal products contain limited amount of vitamin K. It is found in egg yolk, butter, cheese, etc. And the liver that I told you that previously, like the animals, when they consume the vitamin K from various kind of the vegetative sources, they stored the vitamin K on the liver. So when we consume the liver of the animals and as well the heart, kidney, muscles, these are also the sources of vitamin K, but obviously the lower amount of vitamin K present on them. Okay. So next, the recommended allowances. If the RDA or the recommended dietary allowances of vitamin K is not supported by consistent scientific data, still ICMS suggested that the doses of 0.5 to 1 mg of vitamin K can be administered by the intramuscular route if deficiency is present. Usually deficiency usually not happen, but still if it can be seen that any deficiency is there, so then they can be given like intravascular injections of vitamin K. Since much synthesis of the vitamin K occurs in the lower intestine, only a small portion of vitamin produced may actually be absorbed. Okay. So after that, we are going to learn about the functions of vitamin K. So this is the picture for the function. This is the supporting picture for the function that you can see that helps in blood clotting and helps to form and keep our brain structure and bone skeletal structure. So vitamin K is an important function in our body. It helps in blood clotting. The vitamin K helps in the regulation of the cascade mechanism. Cascade mechanism you learn in class 11, I think, and the beforehand also, I think. The cascade mechanism is consists of intrinsic and extrinsic mechanism of the blood coagulation. Okay, so vitamin K helps in this cascade mechanism, and this carried on during blood clotting. This mechanism of blood clotting is a primary important as it prevents loss of blood from the body and hemorrhages. Okay, the vitamin K helps to convert the precursor protein pre-prothrombin to thrombin, which is then changed to thrombin. Thrombin, prothrombin, these all are the factors of blood clotting. So they help to form the prothrombin from the pre-prothrombin. The step is the most important. This step that is producing of the prothrombin is a very important step in this process of blood clotting. And the other hand, it can also help in blood clotting. Vitamin K also helps in the bone formation as well. That is given in the picture you can see. It helps in protein osteocalcin to strengthen the skeleton system, thus helping in the bone formation. Okay. The next picture will be the deficiency of the vitamin K. So here you can see for the children, for the infants, the left one is the vitamin K deficiency in the infants. You can see the bruises you can see, and in the right side picture you can see that the blood is coming out from the death, pyria. So although the vitamin K is a crucial role in the blood clotting, the body needs only a very small amount of the vitamin K. So the deficiency is not actually very common. But vitamin K deficiency, if occurs, then the blood clotting will be affected and the bleeding time will be increased. Bleeding time means that how much time a part can bleed if any occurs happens. Okay. If there is a problem of fat absorption in the body, also vitamin K deficiency may be seen. And also due to the deficiency of vitamin K, the excessive blood loss can happen, as well the pyria in the teeth and gums can happen. So these are all about the vitamin K. Students, I think you understood about vitamin K. In the next video, we will start the B complex vitamin. Till then, thank you.